The cylinder ring is a steel ring that fits over the bottom of the cylinder. It reinforces the plastic cylinder where it contacts the gun's housing. In some failures of the cylinder, the ring can be bent and should be replaced. Replacing the cylinder ring is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cap from the nail gun. Now watch me remove the cylinder. With the cylinder removed, now I can remove the cylinder ring. And install the new one. Then I'll reinstall the bumper and plate. As I install this assembly back into the gun, I need to make sure I install the driver with the opening at the bottom of the housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cap. First the gasket, then I align the cap and secure it with the screws. And that's how easy it is to replace the cylinder ring in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.